Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove and change the spark plug on this Briggs & Stratton 300 series lawnmower. So first thing you want to do is just disconnect the cable. Put it up here. So I've got a 10mm spanner here which I'm just going to use to remove the spark plug. So just gently turn it anti-clockwise, and once I've loosened it up, I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew it with my hand. Okay, so you can see that's pretty grubby, that's never been changed in about 7 years actually. So that's the spark plug that will need to be replaced, and I've got some new ones just here, so I'll link these in the video description box below. These are Briggs & Stratton as well, so they're the original parts, they already come pre-set. Okay, so I've got my new spark plug there. What I'm going to do is just screw that in by hand initially. Just going to make sure I get the threads all okay. I'm not forcing it in. And again, I'm just going to take my 10mm socket and just gently tighten up. You don't need to be too tight about this, that's all fine there. Just got to simply replace the cable as well. Push it on nice and firmly. And I'm just going to test it out. Brilliant, so it's starting first time there, and that's an easy job as part of some routine maintenance for my lawnmower. Thanks for watching, see you next time.